Another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I'm actually filming this on my birthday. Today's my 36th birthday. I don't feel 36 at all. I don't. In my mind, I'm still like 21. Like forever 21. Let's get into the questions. Hey, I love your channel and I need to find that sweatshirt. What sweatshirt? Oh, maybe you're talking about my Victoria's Secret one that I really liked and then I sold it and I liked it so much I went and purchased another one, maybe? Or are you talking about my Lululemon one that I recently purchased? I don't know. Anyway, it says, I have a question. My post office is refusing to send my packages unless I pay the box rates of $15 to $22 instead of my Poshmark label. Have you ever had this issue? They have told all the surrounding post offices about me, so none in my area will take my packages. I don't know what to do. Okay. That's weird. Are you sending items in the wrong box? That's the only reason why I could think that they would do that. The issue I've had like that's similar to that is what I just said, if I put an item in a wrong box. For instance, I sold something on eBay and I put it in a priority box and it was an express label. I think it was a different label than priority. So the post office was like, we can't do this. So they had to I had to switch boxes. But yeah, that's really the only thing that I can think of. Maybe I would ask them, be like, what's the issue? Like, why can't I use my Poshmark label? Maybe are the items too heavy? I don't know. I am stumped. I don't know. If any of you guys have any insight, comment down below and help this person out because, yeah, I don't know. Those are the only scenarios that I can think of. Next question. It would be awesome to get a Poshmark sharing tool code. I'm working on that. Guys. I'm considering getting it, but would love for there to be a possible free trial so I can see if it's right for my business before I spend the money. I'll pass that along to Rachel. Let's see. You said question. When you share to a Posh party, does that item go to the top of the list for said item and in the just shared section too? Just wondering if I should share to the party and to my followers at the same time, so that goes to the top of the page for said item, style, and brand within Poshmark. So, okay, so I think when you share, I know, I'm like 99% sure when you share an item to a party, it just goes to the party. It doesn't go to the, not necessarily just in, but no, it wouldn't go to just in unless you've just listed it. Did you say just in? No, you said just shared. Okay. Okay. When you share an item to a party, it goes just to the party. It does not go to just shared or your followers' feeds. So if you want to share it to both, you actually have to do both, which is annoying. I know. Next question. Girl, what do you do to make daily sales? I feel like I'm constantly following people, sharing my closet listing, and it's still maybe 1 to 2 sales a week. I always post on my story for people to send any offer they want to, and I get none. I also have a listing that says the same, and I'm super active on the app. My items are cheap as is, and I have brand name items, so I'm just wondering if I'm doing something wrong. Thanks so much. So, Jocelyn, no, it sounds like you're doing everything right. Unfortunately, reselling is a roller coaster. You're going to have good days, you're going to have bad days, you're going to have good weeks, you're going to have bad weeks, good months, bad months, etc. So it's just kind of how it is. One thing that kind of stuck out to me, which I don't think that this is the reason why you're not making sales, but I just want to throw this out there. You said that you tell people that you are open to offers, and I used to do that, but I don't anymore because I feel like it's just not good to do because you're telling your buyer, like, hey, I know I have my item priced too high. You know, like, don't you want to sell your items for what you list them for? Like this sweatshirt, if I listed this sweatshirt, let's say I listed it for $40 and then I told people, I'm open to offers. And then somebody sent me an offer for $20. Wouldn't you rather get the $40? Obviously be open to offers, but I guess don't tell people that. That's kind of my advice. Unless you don't care about how much money you make, unless you're just selling things from your own closet and you're just like, whatever. I just wanted to throw that in there. But yeah, it sounds like you're doing everything right. And unfortunately, it's a roller coaster. It really is. I don't really have any other tips for you. You said you're sharing your closet. So maybe stop sharing other people's closets and just focus on sharing your own closet. I mean, make sure you said you have name brand stuff. So yeah, just make sure you have, stuff that people want. Also send offers to likers. You didn't mention if you're doing that or not. So maybe if you're not doing that, try that. But again, it sounds like you're doing everything right. Don't get discouraged. Just keep your head up. I don't know how long you've been doing this for, but it does take a while to gain traction and, to get the hang of it. Next question. I also would love to hear your take on Depop. So I told you guys in a previous video, I just started selling on Depop. So haven't made any sales yet. I do have a bunch of things listed on there, but I do have some thoughts on it. So maybe I'll make a video talking about that. Let's see. You say, also, do you think having a mannequin makes a difference in sales? Thank you. Love your videos. Thank you, Jenny. I don't know, honestly. I feel like there are some people that prefer mannequins and some people that prefer flat lays. I personally prefer a mannequin just so I can see how it looks on, you know, a body as opposed to just laying flat on a hanger, you know. But I don't know. I really don't know if it makes a difference. I really think it's just personal preference, and I feel like, I don't know, maybe I should take a poll. Comment down below and let me know what you guys prefer. If you prefer, you know, buying an item that's on a mannequin or buying an item that's, you know, like a flat lay or on a hanger. Comment down below and let me know. I don't know. I feel like it'd be pretty 50-50. That's just my guess. Last question. Ooh, Depop. At some point in the near future, could you do a starting on Depop? Your thoughts, experience, tips, opinions. I only ever see like 19 to 21-year-old super trendy TikTok people talking about selling on Depop, and I'm 30, and while I follow a lot of those trends, the Depop platform intimidated me, lol, and I'd love to hear your advice and pros, cons, experience when you get going with it. So I agree, it is definitely geared towards the youngin. I feel like I have to get in the mindset of the youngins and, you know, look at what they're doing. The trendy guys TikTok is like mixed feelings on TikTok. It's, I don't know, but you're right. I feel like there are a lot of like trendy TikTok type people that are on there. I'll definitely make a tips video coming soon because, like I said, I do have some thoughts on it. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.